Hi there, it's Grant here, and in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through my crypto portfolio. And I was inspired to do this because I received a comment the other day. I was reviewing a product. They said, oh, they were confused, why I didn't reveal my crypto portfolio. And I sort of said to them, well, I'm reviewing a product in this video. So anyway, that's why I've decided to shoot this video. I want to, share what my crypto portfolio is, show you how it's doing, and, hopefully give you some ideas of, where you can start in crypto. But before I get into the video, absolutely nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. I'm not advising you buy any of the coins in my portfolio. I'm only sharing what I'm doing. I'm going to share some of my strategies with you. So yeah, I'm not saying you buy anything in my portfolio. If you do, please do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Also, before I get going, if you're an advanced crypto trader or you're heavily into crypto, then this video probably isn't for you. But if you're a newbie, never invested in crypto before, maybe you've just started out and you're dabbling, then this is probably for you, because I would say my portfolio is pretty average. I'm not a millionaire crypto investor or anything like this. I think I represent the more average person investing in crypto. So I think this is quite a realistic video. So if you're enjoying this video, why not like, why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? Also, before I go on, actually, I've actually written a crypto report, the final crypto bull run, where I reveal the two key events which will basically trigger the final crypto bull run. And in the report, I reveal my 5 favorite crypto coins that will soar in value. So if you want this, completely free to get, all you need to do is come to this page, which I'll link in the comment description below. Click this button, enter your email, and I'll send the report to you straight away. So if you fancy that, come to this page, enter your email, and yeah, I'll send it to you. So on with the video. So just to give you a bit of background, I'm actually in my crypto wallet. I use Coinbase. I always have used Coinbase, to buy and sell crypto, because it makes it stupidly easy. I mean, this is, whilst there's other crypto exchanges out there like Kraken and so, I think there's Binance. I've always used Coinbase. It's so easy to buy and sell crypto of this platform. All you need to do is just connect your bank account, transfer money, which you can do pretty much instantly to your Coinbase wallet. It will hold it in the currency you transferred from. And then literally you can start buying crypto assets one click at a time. The only problem with this is that, if you want to invest in the big cryptos or any of the cryptos listed on Coinbase, then you can purchase them through this platform. If they're very small, tiny micro caps, you might have to, buy them elsewhere, which is a little more complicated. But anyway, I use Coinbase. I really dig it. So yeah, if you want to get, going with a crypto platform to start buying your crypto, then Coinbase is a good place to start, because it makes it stupidly easy. And I know when you're new to crypto can be incredibly overwhelming. And Coinbase just makes it easy. So yeah, why not give it a try? Anyway, so I'm in my Coinbase account. This is my total balance I've got in my account. So it's a 4-figure portfolio, roughly, £3,355. So this is probably, I don't know what that is in dollars, probably around about $4,000 off the top of my head. So yeah, it's a pretty decent portfolio. What's my overall strategy? Well, I'm not looking to be a millionaire out of this at the moment. Realistically, with the coins I've got, and I'll walk you through my coins in a minute, if I can, 3, 5, maybe even 10x his portfolio, I would, in the next 12 to 18 months, I would consider that to be a win. It's, the coin, as you'll see, the coins I've generally invested in, they're not going to be 1000x coins, because they're more of the larger, higher value projects, but there are some smaller altcoins in there. But yeah, if I can 3 to 5x, that'd be good. If it can go 10x, great. But yeah, I think a 3 to 5x over the next 12 to 18 months would be great. The reason why I've built this up is also we're coming into the crypto bull run. I think we've already started the crypto bull run, if I'm honest with you. I think the main trigger for that was the talk of all of these spot Bitcoin ETFs that are going to be approved. I think the final approval date for most of them is January 10th, if I do believe. And I think, I think there's been about 9 to 12 applications. I think BlackRock's one is definitely going to be approved because you can't beat that giant. That giant pretty much runs the American economy. So I think they're going to get theirs approved. And what that will mean for the Bitcoin and the crypto industry is it just means billions of dollars are going to flow into crypto. It's going to make it easier for investors to invest in crypto without actually holding crypto themselves, because they're investing it through one of these funds. So that means, yeah, it's just going to allow Bitcoin to go more mainstream. Billions of dollars are going to flow into it. And yeah, crypto is going to soar from there. And then there's the Bitcoin halving next year. So I think 2024 is going to be a pretty big year for crypto, probably going into 2025. So that is why I've been building up my crypto portfolio ready for this, because Tika Twari believes this is going to be the last ever crypto bull run before it goes mainstream, because when it goes mainstream, the volatility will pretty much be over. So yeah, that is why I'm doing it, because I think this is probably my last chance to make some decent gains through crypto, I think, over the next sort of 2 years, really. But anyway, let's walk you through it. So how's it performed over the past month? So if we look here, so pretty much a month ago, roughly, it was sitting at just under £2,600. And today it is 3,371. So I've had a pretty decent go. If I work that out, it's gone up about 25% over the past month overall, which is pretty decent. I've had decent gains, and I think that's only going to gradually go up. So let me just walk you through my portfolio. Now, my biggest holding is Bitcoin. I own 0.05 Bitcoins. So yeah, I own about 5% of a Bitcoin, roughly, just under, because I just sold a bit of Bitcoin today, took some profits out to buy another coin, which I think is going to do really well. It's on the surge. So yeah, most of my holdings in Bitcoin, the reason why I've got Bitcoin is because it's a great store of value. I think Bitcoin is going to at least 3x in the crypto bull run. And it's just a good place to store value. I mean, you're not going to become a millionaire out of Bitcoin. You're just not going to see the gains. I think Tika Twari says Bitcoin could reach 500,000, maybe even $1 million in the future. But if you're investing, say for example, $1,000 in it, if you return $10,000 over a couple of years, then yeah, that's probably a good win. It's just a great, secure, safe store for money, in my opinion. With the financial world becoming ever more precarious with the rise of CBDCs, a lot of people worry that the governments are going to be able to steal our money. And a lot of investors are turning to gold and Bitcoin to store their wealth, to protect it from the greedy hands of the banks and the governments who want to basically take our wealth. So that's why I invested in Bitcoin. Now, I've also got Ethereum. Ethereum, strong project. I own just under half an Ethereum, so I've got a £705 holding in it. Ethereum's a great project. I think Ethereum should do pretty well the next crypto bull run. I think it'll probably 3 to 5x. Solid project. It's the top software development blockchain on the internet, on the blockchain. Loads of developers on it. It's very strong for decentralized finance, which is going to be huge in the future. NFTs and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, very strong project. So yeah, I've got a strong holding in that, and I've in that 3 to 5x in the crypto bull run. Now, Solana's probably been my best performing asset over the past month. Let's just go to Coinbase and see if I can bring up the data for Solana. What's it been doing? So yeah, we're just sitting just under $60. Solana's done incredibly well. I think Solana's pretty much 10x this year. It's been insane. Solana's a very interesting project. So yeah, let's look. Sorry, it's just a bit slow. I think it's because it's Monday. So let's look at the past month. Yeah, so yeah. Past month, Solana has gone up 120%. So, yeah, in the past month, I've made about 120% on my investment. Strongest performing coin in my portfolio, I do believe, in terms of returns. So yeah, Solana is doing very, very well for me. It's more than doubled my money with Solana in the past month. So yeah, very, 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 very strong coin. In terms of crypto bull run, what could Solana do? Well, Solana's previous high was just under $300. So, Solana, it could 6x come at some point in the crypto bull run. So, if I keep that sort of money in there, it could go to around about, say, $2,000 maybe, which would be, that'd be cool. So there we go. Next one, I've got XRP. XRP's done pretty well, I think, over the past month. Let's just have a look. So let's look at XRP, what XRP has done. So XRP is an interesting project. Basically, the big idea behind XRP is, I think, it just wants to make, it's basically an equalizer. So anyone can basically send cross-border payments. So it's a payment solution, global payment solution. And I think that's why a lot of people really believe in XRP, because it's, anyone can use it. Doesn't matter where you are. XRP, is a, very strong, it's going to be very strong crypto. So in the past month, XRP's up about 20%, 19%. So that's done pretty well. The next one is the graph. So that's an interesting project. Let's have a look at what the graph is doing. It's GRT. So in one day, this is up just under 7%, so we'll call it. So the graph is doing pretty well. Let's look over the past month. This is more of a smaller altcoin. The market cap is, market cap is just over $1 billion. Over the past month, that's done really well, up 71%. So I've done well on that. 71%. So not far off. Doubled my investment on that in the past month alone. So that's doing pretty well. Pretty cool. The next one is Near Protocol. I've actually only recently bought this. In fact, I bought this today. I sold a bit of my Bitcoin because I guess I got a bit of FOMO on this, if I'm being completely honest with you. I know Near's a very strong project, but Near Protocol is out on an absolute tear. It's up 13% in the past 24 hours alone. And I think there's a lot of money flowing into NEAR. So let's have a look at NEAR. Now, again, I just want to make this clear. I'm not advising you buy any of these coins. I'm not saying, buy these coins, but all I'm doing is sharing you what I'm doing and try to give you a bit of strategy behind it. You should never buy crypto coins because of fear of missing out, because when they're generally shooting up, you're going to lose money. But I think NEAR's I was listening to an analyst this morning, Scott Phillips, and he's a very smart crypto trader, and him and his clients are absolutely winning with NEAR at the moment. He thinks there's quite a lot of legs to run, so NEAR protocol is going pretty well. So in the day alone, it's up 14%. So I'm already up 14% today, so it's pretty cool. So what's it done over the past month? So yeah, in the past month, it's doubled, so over 100%. If we look at all-time highs, nearly $20. So yeah, it's not out of the realms of possibility. NEAR, if NEAR goes up to its all-time high in the next couple of weeks, you could 10x your money. Now, I'm not saying it's going to do that, obviously, because I just don't know. Because a lot of what happens with a lot of these smaller coins, it's actually not much of a smaller coin. It's it's got a 2 billion market cap, but yeah. What happens with a lot of coins is a lot of the big whales, they'll throw money into a coin. They basically manipulate the markets, and then they'll drop out, and that's when the coin crashes. But NEAR's doing really well at the moment. Doubled over the next month, over the past month. So, and I think there's pretty strong legs to go yet. And even today, 7 days, what's it up over the past 7 days? Up 21%. And the day is up 14%. So it's doing pretty well. So NEAR protocol is a coin that's doing really well. Another one is Stellar XLM. That's doing pretty well. They've got a smaller position in that. This is a smaller altcoin. Immutable X, I think it's a gaming coin off the top of my head. I can't remember what all of these do, so you must bear with me. So let's put IMX in. Let's see how that's doing. Let's have a look at Immutable X. Also, by the way, if you're finding this video useful and informative and it's giving you ideas, why not why not subscribe to the channel to get more content like this? And hopefully you're finding this valuable. So IMX is up 2% over the past 24 hours. What's it up over the past 7 days? Up, just under 10%. Yeah, it's on a bit of it's starting to take off. 1 month, it's done very well over the past. I've done well with Immutable. This is actually maybe the strongest coin. 149% over the past month. That's doing very well. That's done pretty well. I wish I'd put a bit more money in that, if I'm honest with you. That's doing very well. I actually got that pick from Tika Tawari. It's one of his picks. He expects to do well, and it has performed well. That's a money doubler, more than a money doubler over the past month. That's doing very well. Again, I'm not advising you buy it. What's the all-time high on this thing? All-time high is just under $10. So if it goes up to all-time highs, it's not out of the realms of possibility you could 10x with this. That would give it a market cap of just under $11 billion, which is possible. Wouldn't argue against that. yeah, let's just go down the list. Let's have a look. So yeah, so other coins I've got is Dogecoin. That's Shiba Inu. These are just more for, dare I say, shits and giggles, really. I mean, you know, if any of these coins take off, I know this Elon Musk is always, he's a big fan of Dogecoin. There's talk that he might attach that to X or Twitter. So yeah, that's always got potential to take off. And Shiba Inu, I mean, this is, yeah, well, you know, I've got £59 in that. You know, I think it's trading for pretty much peanuts. I think I've got over 8.5 million Shiba Inu. So if it takes off, yeah, I mean, if it goes up, a lot of people think it could go to $1 one day. If it does that, well, I'm a millionaire. Great. Don't think it will do that, but who knows? All it takes is a few big whales to start, and a whale is just a huge crypto investor to start bumping millions, if not billions, into the coin. If it does that, the coin will soar in value. So yeah, that's up as well. Another sort of asset I'll show you. I've got a coin called 1 inch. Let's have a look at 1 inch. What's this doing? So 1 inch. Yeah, so this is the 1 inch network. Do you believe this might be another coin I got from Tika Tuari? Yeah, it's just slow. And my internet has dropped out. So sorry about that for some unknown reason. So yeah. So anyway, I can't show you that. My internet is actually dropped out. But anyway, I better cut the video short. But anyway, that is that is my crypto portfolio. I just wanted to basically show you this to hopefully give you guys some, you know, some ideas. Like I say, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. I'm not advising you buy any of these coins here. You know, I'm just showing you with what I'm doing, my strategy, and yeah, and take of it what you will. But if you do invest in crypto, please do your own research. Don't just buy out of fear of missing out, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Like I say, you know, I've got a pretty average portfolio. The only other thing I think I'm going to start focusing on now is really start focusing more on the small and micro caps, because if you want the big 10x, 100x, 1000x gains, you've got to be going for the small micro caps. And what I mean that coins with micro caps under $50 million, because those coins you can buy for pennies, and they're going to have the explosive gains if the money flows into them. So if you pick a decent project, a lot of investors invest into it, then you're going to make a lot of money. That is what a lot of the really smart crypto guys, especially the more advanced guys, are doing now, looking for those small micro caps where the money flows in and they make 10, 100x, 1000x gains on rare occasions. So yeah, that's probably what I'm going to do now. I'll probably put more money into these coins as I go along, ready for the crypto bull run. But yeah, I think main focus now is probably to start investing in a lot of the smaller altcoins, microcap coins. Anyway, what I'll finish by saying is if well, actually, one of the tools that really helped me was Tika Tuari's Palmish letter. I joined his Palmish letter about, I don't know, 18 to 24 months ago. Through his crypto course and his newsletters and his special reports, he, you know, following his advice, that's what helped me start growing my crypto portfolio. I can highly recommend it, especially with a crypto bull run coming in. And also he's focusing a lot on AI now. So anyway, if you want to join the Palmish letter, I can highly recommend it. I'll link to this page down in the description below. You can join for 75% off and join for just $49, and you can get 100% risk-free money back guarantee. I think you get 60 days. So if you want to join the Palmish letter and start growing your crypto portfolio, why not sign up to the Palmish letter? Link below. Anyway, that is what I've got for you. If you found this video useful and informative, please like to let me know you like it. Got any questions, put your comments below. Would love to hear them. Yeah, And like I say, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Just do your own research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. And crypto is highly volatile. You can make a lot of money, but you can also lose all of your money as well. So you have been warned. But anyway, hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.